So yeah, we're just going to have a little test, see how we do. I've just brought my own suit here. I've got a camelback with GG ambush kit, and all the rest of the suit is a real tree suit with my own leaves on. So they are ambush leaves on the suit itself. Normally, obviously, I wear a chest rig here as well. I've not brought that. So I'll just go and lay around, crawl about and see how we do. Now I hope you can maybe see if this works or not. I mean, it's raining now. It doesn't make any difference wearing this because obviously I've got full waterproofs on underneath it. And a lot of players I know think I'm a bit mad, but generally wear waterproofs nearly all year round. Mainly it just protects you from all the thorns and sharp parts of the undergrowth, especially your legs. And yeah, you'll need to take on more water. I'm renowned for being a camel, but that's what you've got this for, camelback. So obviously hydration should be part of your suit. I don't really believe in water bottles. You know, I've used all that kind of stuff before, and you know, years ago, back in the day, you basically, you know, you're revered getting a canteen, and then you realised the part of the film Platoon was right, where he said, you can tell he's a FNG VC, and they said, why? He goes, because his canteen's not full, so it makes too much noise. And that's the problem. Once you start drinking out of it, you start slopping around and stuff. I mean, yeah, you get that little bit in camelback, but nothing compared. So although the water will get very hot in your camelback, you know, it's a key part of your suit, and you can just at any point go, I'm going to have a drink. It's very minimal movement compared to getting a canteen out, opening it up, drinking, elevating it, you know, and all that. So obviously, you know, it's not rocket science that that people use camelbacks, but my advice is, you know, make it part of your suit. Don't just look at it as a camelback, look at it as a small ghillie, because you can see there it's It's basically just got a set of bungees round that you can add local cam to, and this ambush kit. So when I get there, I don't have to add all this. I don't have to rip a tree up. It isn't going to fade during the day on wilt. You know, it's vibrant, it's bright, it's got form. It'll stay like that. Saves me time. So you can see that's a key part of my actual suit. Look at the back. So, you know, that's my tip. Although I'm involved with them, I don't make any money out of them. It just supports my partner. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's a great item. It's highly underrated, and I just feel that people are missing out when they could actually go. This could be the key thing to just add to your suit when it's finished, you know. So that's my tip for today. But let's do a little bit more. But yeah, that's the kind of place I suppose in a game you'd be thriving if you were a sniper. And to be honest, if they were coming from the other way, you would have the drop on them. But problem with these high perches and places like that, and like, I'm not one to talk, but they often have very limited escape routes. This is why they tell people not to climb trees and all that. Once you're compromised, if you're compromised, that's the entire thing. If you're compromised, you're doomed. Whereas, you know, if you're up there and no one notices you, you just keep still, you know, you just make your way through the engagement by just waiting. Wait for them to leave after a while if you've picked a few off and they haven't worked out where you are. Because once you start shooting, especially past the 3 shots, they start to zero in where you are. And, you know, it is an important lesson. It all depends if you feel these shots have even been detected. Sometimes you shoot, they don't hear the shot, they don't even hear the pellet impact, the moving or whatever. And you know, you've got to gauge every shot and who else you think might have detected it. Although they might not have detected it, the target, other people might have. So it's all risk assessment as always, and something to be aware of. But if you're going to be using high perches like that, your camo's got to be spot on, or you just have to have an escape route and you leave after the initial shots. So don't linger in trees. Well, obviously you're not allowed to climb trees on most sites, but don't linger in high places too long. You know, people look at them automatically as sniper positions. So, you know, think ahead and try not to be predictable. Thanks for coming out and giving it a watch. It's been fun to crawl around the local damp woodland in my stuff, go home and analyse the footage, and I'm going to come back out at some point this next week with the Sprinter Custom Ghillie hood that I got sent by Longbow, kind of as a gift, as a review. And what I'm going to do is, because obviously I don't want to feel that people think I'm trying to get something out of it or I'm biased, because I'm really not. I'm just looking for what works and to inform people about that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out, look at the Sprinter Custom Ghillie suit hood, and then I'm maybe going to modify it a little bit, and then I'm going to put it up as a competition, as a prize. So you know, keep an eye out and you'll see the competition. Thanks for joining us.